Hello, my name is Siobhan Scott. I'm the Aftermarket Marketing Manager at Perkins Engines. And I'm here to talk to you today about our new range of Oil Ecoplus Filters from Perkins. We've had Ecoplus fuel filters for about 20 years now, and they're a fantastic range of filters that allow us to protect the environment by having a reusable outer on the filters and only replacing the inner central core with very high quality media that's especially positioned to stay in place so that it provides very effective filtration. We've now extended this range through to our oil filters on engines such as the Syncro 3.6 here. The oil filters, the Ecoplus oil filters, are now available on the 2.8 and 3.6 Perkins Syncro engines. They provide all the same benefits as the fuel Ecoplus filters, with a reusable outer to the filter and also great quality media that's positioned to stay in place. In addition, we've got two fantastic new features within the Ecoplus filters. The oil filters are positioned so that they are angled down into the engine, so whenever they're replaced, the oil drains into the engine. That means that there's no longer a case where if you're changing your oil filter, oil goes everywhere, you get covered in oil, which of course nobody wants that. So the oil drains back into the engine so that it's a very clean change. The filters are also very easy to change. There's a nut to remove them, no special tools are required, and they can only fit one way, so you can be sure that you fitted them correctly. The other great feature with the Oil Ecoplus filters is that they've got a brand new valve within the filter. And what that means is that we can pre-prime the engine with oil. So no longer is it the case that when you start up an engine, at first you don't have oil passing around the engine. With the new Ecoplus oil filters, you have oil passing around the engine right from the minute you turn the engine on. What that means is that important high-value items such as turbochargers, which are oil-cooled, are always protected. So the Ecoplus filters are not only filtering your oil really effectively, but they're also doing a fantastic job at protecting your engine.